The Minister of Education, Lahkmen Rymbui, informed that the government has sanctioned 109 crores of rupees for improving schools in different parts of the state. The minister was replying to a query raised by Congress MLA HM Shangpliang on the final day of the autumn session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Rymbui also informed that the sanctioned amount from state schemes will ensure that these schools are provided with buildings and basic furniture. The minister also informed that 2 government LP schools under the Mausanram block have been approved from 2018 till date for construction of new school buildings under the state scheme. Lahkmen Rymbui also informed that 2 government lower primary schools under Mausanram block have been approved from 2018 till date for the construction of new school buildings under the state scheme.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to start question 161A. Sir, no government LP schools and government-aided schools under Mausanram block which have been sanctioned for repairing of schools building. B. Sir, no government LP school that has been provided with furniture during the year 2018 till date. C. Sir, 2 government LP school under Mausanram block has been approved from 2018 till date for construction of new school building under the state scheme.
Yes, by
So, Honourable Speaker, now this answer is so negative, sir. A is negative, B is negative, C is partially positive. So this just shows the attitude of the government, the education department towards the schools in the rural areas. I'm projecting this picture not just for Mausanram constituency alone. This picture is for all the rural schools in the state, sir. I'm aware, sir, because I have been traveling through the length and breadth of the state, and I know, sir, that the conditions of the rural schools, particularly the government LP schools and the upper primary schools or the government-aided schools, are in this condition, sir. Sir, in my constituency, I wish I could have brought the pictures of all the school buildings, which few of them I have forwarded to the Principal Additional Chief Secretary in charge education. So since the last 2018, I've been asking for repairs. So not a single money has been provided. May I ask the reason why, sir?
We have sanctioned additional classroom in Phlang Roy Government LP School at an estimated amount of 8,20,000. We have sanctioned additional classroom for Lalpani Government LP School at an estimated amount of 10 lakhs. And this year, 2 government schools will be constructed under the state scheme in Mausanram block, sir.
So I'd like to thank for that information, but that is under the ADB, sir. The Phlang Rymbui, sir, is under the ADB.
He is wrong, sir. Please, he is wrong, sir. My reply is right. I don't know. I think he does not know where is Phlang Rymbui Government LP School. That's why he tell like that, sir.
Oh, sorry. I know the Phlang Rymbui is one school that they got for under ADB, and this LP school that they have mentioned is the 10 lakhs is from the state scheme. That I understand, sir. But now, sir, the condition of the schools in the border. Sir, the schools in the upper land are much more managed by the managing committee. But the schools in the borders, because the managing committees are very poor, sir, the living condition is so poor. I think the Honorable Chief Minister has travelled through the length and breadth of the border areas of Mausanram constituency. He understands how poverty is in that area. Sir, my only request to the government is, I am not here to debate why have you not given, when will you give, but do consider the list that have been provided to the department. I have written several DO letters to the Additional Chief Secretary of the Education Department for the repairs and providing school teachers and also providing school furnitures. Till date, sir, everything is so silent. May I know why, sir?
This government is the first government which have looked into the interest of the government LP school all over the state. So, only this year, 191 government LP school will be taken up all over the state. Government UP school, 4 numbers, and government UP with LP, 3 numbers, and government secondary and higher secondary school, 10 numbers, which an estimated amount of 109 crore 33 lakh 71,210. So this is the first government we really look into that, and this school will not only provide with school building, it will provide also with the basic furniture for the benefit of the student and the teacher community. This is the first step, and this will be not the last. So we will try to improve whatever we can, sir.
Sir, under what scheme is this doing, sir?
So it is a scheme of the government.
Is it the central scheme or the state scheme, sir?
It is a state scheme, sir.
So in that case, sir, the last question, sir, may I know whether out of those 191 schools that the government has listed, how many schools under the Mosram constituency fall in that list?
Under Mosram Block 2, sir.